Hey guys, it's Z5 here, and I'm here with part 2 of 3 in my tutorial of how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, last episode, I guess you could call it episode, you learned how to solve the white side. Now, I'll just solve the white side really quick while I talk about something pretty important on my channel. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but here it is anyways. So, I'm going to be telling you how you can learn how to solve like 3x3, 4x4, Mega Mix. I might even tell you how to do some cube mods, like how to mod your cube with like how to make a Lego 3x3, or lube your cube, or loosen the tensions on your cube. But to do that, you'll have to subscribe to my channel. If I get enough subscribers, I'll make that video. So let's get into it. So before we start this video, I have the white side now. So once you get the white side, you're gonna have to know this algorithm. So you have to get white side like this with the right colors around it, or it won't work. So now memorize this. White on bottom, and I'll tell you how to hold the cube when you do it, but you just go like this. So this is the right side, this is the left, this is the upper side, this is the lower side. So what you're going to do is take the right side and move it like this. So white on the bottom, and blue of it doesn't have to be here. So you just go up, so that it goes like that. But never mind, let me just go like up, and then to the left, then down, to the left again. Then up, and to the left again, and down. Which keeps the white, but it rearranges the yellow. So just again, that is up, over, down, over, up, over, down. And now, the last one. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Which means now you have white, but it's not going to be that easy, which is the problem. So, it could occur to be, I'll tell you how to hold it in different cases. Whoop, here goes the camera. Alright, so this case is none on top, but in this case it has two yellows together, and a yellow here and a yellow here. So you're going to want to hold the two that are matching in the back, and these two on the side, and do up, over, down, over, up, over, down. So let me do that again for you guys, but let me show you a different one that could happen. So, this is the same case, and these are the two, but in another case, it could look like this. To solve this, you're just going to go up, over, down, over, up, over, down. So you hold it the same way, and if you do that, it will bring you back to this same one, with two in the back, like that. So you just hold them with them on the top. So up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Which, when that is completed correctly, you will now have, if you have one on the top, this is the best one. So hold it. If you ever have one on the top, hold it with the piece on the top, which would be a yellow. So the yellow on the top, in the bottom left, which, like, if it's like this, make it to the bottom left, so like that. Now do the alg. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down, which will result in it being solved. But there could be another case where it's up on the top, and you'll do the same thing. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down. So now you might think, oh, that did nothing. But really, now this piece is here, and it wasn't. And now if you do the alg, it will solve it. So there's one more case, I think, or a few more. Now there's this one, where if they're diagonal, this one, I'm not really sure. Actually, I am sure. Hold them so that there's one in the bottom left, upper right, and then there's one over here. But if you hold it that correctly, there should be a dot here. So just like that. Now you do the alg. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down. And now you have two in the back, and here's a new one, like that. So when it's like this, you're going to hold them on the side each. So up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Which now you'll have this one, which has 2 on this side and 2. So that one is the same one up over of before, or not before. But now you have this one, which you can do here. And now you can get yellow, I hope. So now this brings us into part 3, the finale. When you definitely have 2, and 50% you'll have 3. Peace out.